Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andy in case you're new here, and today I brought you these gorgeous bohemian style crochet flower earrings. They're very easy to be made and only take a couple of minutes. And of course, don't forget to show me your ready work by tagging me on my other social media platforms as well, such as TikTok or Instagram. Don't forget to like this video, hype it, and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. And if you would like to support me with the yarn, you can do it in the Buy Me a Coffee webpage, which I placed the link below this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. For the earrings, we will need to have the following materials. We are going to use this yarn. This is from Crochet. This is Filo di Scozia yarn. I'm going to put the description on the screen. Then we will need to have two wooden beads. They are 8 millimeters, each one of them. We are going to use a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook, a yarn needle, and two earring hangers. We are going to start by making a magic ring. So have a look. You get the yarn in your hand, wrap around your fingers, pass it to the front, insert two of your fingers, rotate it down and grab the longer yarn and pull it through, just like this. Then we can pull on the longer yarn slightly, so make the loop smaller, just like this. Insert the crochet hook and chain 3. Grab the yarn, 1, 2, and 3. Now have a look. We are going to yarn over and we are going to insert under the magic ring. Grab the yarn. We're going to yarn over, do it one more time. Yarn over one more time. This is the third time. Yarn over, fourth time, under. And then one more time, so all together 5 times, yarn over. And then we have all these yarns. Now we are going to yarn over and pull through in all of them. Just only this chain 3, we are going to leave it out. So yarn over, pull it through in all, but leave this last chain 3 out. Now yarn over, pull over in the next 2, just like this. Now we are going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and we are going to make 4 times double crochet. So yarn over into this space, so yarn over, insert it, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull over into, yarn over, pull over in the other 2. This was 1. Yarn over, insert, grab it out, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in the other 2. This was 2, so altogether 4 times. Then yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in the other 2. This is 3, yarn over, insert, and then yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in the other 2. And then this one, the first part is ready. So we're going to yarn over, insert, and then yarn over one more time. This is 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Then yarn over. We're going to pull over in all. Just we have this last loop left. Then yarn over, pull over in both of the 2. Chain 2, 1 and 2. And now 4 times we have to make double crochet into this hole. So yarn over and yarn over, pull over into, yarn over, pull over in the other 2. So this is 1, and then 2, then 3, and then 4. Perfect. This is the second one. Now I'm gonna show you one more time how to do it. So yarn over, insert in the magic ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more time, 5. Then yarn over, pull over in almost all, just leave out the last loop. Yarn over, pull over in both, chain 2, 1, 2, and 4 times double crochet into this stitch. So 1, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in the last 2. Second time, third, and then fourth. Perfect. So this is how it looks like now. We need to have in total 6 of this one, and I'll wait you back here. Now have a look. We have all the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 completed. Have a look. Now we are going to grab this yarn, the one that from the magic ring. We're going to pull onto that. Going to try to close this circle. Perfect. Have a look how cute it is. And then now we are going to insert a crochet hook. Have a look. You remember the initial chain 3 in that space? We're going to grab the yarn and we are going to pull it over just like this. And now we are going to chain 1, leave some excess tail, cut the yarn. We can pull out the yarn, secure. We're going to add the yarn needle now. I'm going to grab the 2 wooden beads, pull it through, 1 and 2. Now we are going to insert it back exactly the same spot. Bring it down. Make sure that you keep a small loop in there. This is for the earring hanger to be attached. I'm going to guide back the yarn needle here, the same spot where it came out. Just like this. And now we're going to add the earring hanger. Going to attach it on the top. Close it. And then gently you're going to have to pull onto the yarn. We're going to secure it more, just like this. You want to make sure that it's nice and secure, that it wouldn't come off. Then we're going to grab the yarn needle. I'm going to make a couple of stitches in the back to secure. Going to pull it through, so it's going to kind of tie it there more strongly. Then we're going to hide it between the stitches. So I'm just going to try to find it in the back. Try to make sure that it doesn't pass through to the front. And just trying to hide it. If you feel that it's nicely secured, then you can cut off the yarn. And of course, you have to do the same exact thing with this yarn too. And have a look, our gorgeous little flower earring is ready. Don't forget to make another one from this too. So have a look, our gorgeous earrings just got ready and I think they turned out very beautiful. Please let me know in the comment section below how it went, or if you have encountered any difficulties, if you have any suggestions for me to improve, or just any comments in general. Also, don't forget to show it to me by tagging me on my other social media platforms as well, such as TikTok or Instagram. Don't forget to like this video, hype it, and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. For now, take care and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.